Okay, this is my homework for chapter 5, problem number 8, the bar charts. So this is where I imported my turtles, selected the background color, name of my turtle. This is the actual function that's going to draw the bars, and as you can see, the heights are chosen from the function down here. If the height is less than 100, it's going to fill the bar chart green. If it's greater than 100 but less than 200, it will fill it with yellow. If it's greater than 200, it will fill it with red, as you can see right here on the right. And now I will run it. And there you have it.